Okay, I was referred to by my last video by Mr. Ron Akins, Alachua County Court Services, to the county attorney, to Miss Malika. So that's where I'm going. So room 209, or over by 209, for the Alachua County Attorney's Office, where I've been referred to. Going up. There's the Alachua County Civil Bureau. Oh, I'm sorry, love.
Are you? Am I
Yes.
interfering with you?
No, you're fine. You're fine. Okay, this is the county attorney office, and this is where I'm going to. Hello. I am here to see Miss Malika Glanville. I'm here to see this person, Miss Malika. Malika.
Okay, and what's your name?
I'm here to do a records request. Like a Freedom of Information, Statute 119, records. I'm sure others have called here because that's how I got referred here.
Okay, may I let her know who's requesting her?
Yeah, I'm just Joe Public.
Joe?
However you want to call me. Blue Steel, Joe Public.
Okay, I'll let her know, Joe.
Yes, ma'am. Blue Steel, Joe Q Public, any name. It's for a records request. Hello. They're talking about records back there right now. Good morning.
You need a public records assistant?
Yes, ma'am, I am. Hello.
My name is Malika.
Nice to meet
Nice
you,
to
Miss
meet you.
Malika. You didn't quite write it right. I said
Oh.
Malika, but I'm sorry.
It's okay, no worries. Here, I'll give you my card.
Yes,
so,
ma'am.
what kind of records are we looking
Okay,
for, sir?
so I went to, okay, this is my, you don't have to
Oh,
write it.
okay.
I'm just gonna give
Okay.
you the skinny on it. You
Yes,
know what I'm
sir.
saying? Okay. Down at the Alachua County Jail, there's someone putting ankle monitors on through this
Okay.
organization,
Okay.
the Alachua County Court Services.
Okay.
They are fixing ankle monitors. It was explained to me that it was an employee named Hutchinson. You can write that down.
Okay.
I want to know, they wouldn't tell me over there where I went to. They referred me to you just
Okay.
be advised, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Okay, and such being I'm here now. And
Okay.
what I wanna know is, do you have an employee, his name is Hutchinson?
Do you know how to spell Hutchinson, just in case?
Hutchi,
Is that-
Hutchinson.
Is it like
That's
that?
close enough, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, he also, I'm just gonna tell you,
Okay.
I believe it to be the same Hutchison that is employed by the Alachua County Sheriff's Department.
Oh.
And he's an employee in the professional standards, in other words, internal affairs.
Okay.
I wanna know if that's the same employee.
Oh, okay. So.
Now, this is the way statute 119 reads. If these questions I ask are readily available, I'm not supposed to wait the 10-day maximum period you have to extend records. I'm not holding you, but that should be something that I should be provided right now. Do you have an employee named Hutchison
Okay.
that works for the Sheriff's Department? He's a lieutenant there. I believe, and I got a call, you understand what I'm
Okay.
saying? And so now I've already been to 2 other agencies,
Okay.
3 other agencies. They've all pointed me to them, and then
And
they
then
ended up pointing me
okay.
to you.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna wanna know, is employee Hutchinson of the ASO, is he the same employee that
As-
works?
In the court services?
And if he is, I'm gonna ask some records to be served, okay?
Oh,
But I should do that now. Is that a problem with you? I know you probably gotta go back and talk to the attorney or something like that.
Well, what I might need to do though because if he really is
He's on your master
Okay.
payroll. He's
Well-
under.
well, no, I understand that part. So how I usually will do, I take in the requests, and then I work with the departments to confirm this information.
Okay,
So
but
what
I
I'm
sh-
going to try to do is I'll try to talk to our HR to confirm what we have.
Okay, so
The
that should
sheriff-
only take a couple minutes then, right?
Correct. As long
Okay.
as I can get through to somebody.
Yes.
And
I'll
then-
wait here.
And then if he really is a sheriff
Okay,
employee.
now the man already confirmed down there. This man here,
Okay.
Mr. Ron Akins, he already confirmed down there that there's
That we do have a Hutchins.
yeah, that he is employed here.
Okay.
I'm trying to mate him together with the
Somebody
sheriff's
else in the
office
sheriff's office. Okay.
and this employment here.
Okay. What I might need to do now, unfortunately, I know you said they're on the master payroll,
Yes,
and
he'll be
I know
there
that.
twice.
Goodness gracious. Alright. Well, maybe what I might try to do is just call up to our finance and accounting first, just
You
to
do
like
what
to
you
ask,
gotta do.
yeah, to
As
ask
long as
payroll.
As long as that we're in agreement that I should be afforded this opportunity
Okay.
to have my question answered
And
at this time,
sure.
then I'll wait patiently. You know
Sure.
what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I
And
get bounced around a lot. You know, like the
I'm
sheriff's
sorry about
department
that.
runs me
yeah. I'm
all
sorry.
around town and all this, that, and the third. You know, but
Okay.
long story short, I'll wait patiently.
Okay. By chance, you don't know his first name, do you?
No, I don't want to give it
Okay.
up now. I don't want to know any more than I know for the reason. He's a lieutenant at the
Okay.
Alachua County Sheriff's
okay,
Office.
so there's a lieutenant. Okay.
And I'm trying to mate him together with
Okay.
the
Well,
Alachua
because I
County
was-
Court Services.
Because I don't know how many Hutchinson we have. Granted,
Again,
there shouldn't
there
be too many.
Hey, look here, I'm wrong all the time.
It's
you know,
okay.
people send me on wild goose chases just like the sheriffs do, or the GPD, or
I'm so sorry about that.
okay, so it
But
just
you're
happened
trying to make sure and confirm that there's
that they're one and the same.
there's an employee that does ankle monitors that's employed through court services that you also believe
He's
to
putting
be
them on at the jailhouse.
yeah ankle monitor, and then you're trying to confirm if he's also an employee for the sheriff's office. Too.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Let me try to see who I can because
I'll wait patiently.
all right.
Yep,
And
that's
your
fine.
name again?
I'm
Sorry.
Sterling Grindle. They call me Blue Steel on the YouTube.
Okay, no worries at
Yes,
all.
ma'am.
Let me work on that, and I'll be
Thank
right
you.
with you. Thank you, sir.
They're having a county meeting in there. They're having a county meeting in there, and such being that might be a good time to inject myself. So Harry S. Truman, the buck stops here over. Where does the buck stop? Yes, ma'am. Oh, there's Miss Mary Ellen Wheeler. They're having a oh, I thought there was somebody coming for me.
Where's the meeting?
I believe you go down this hallway
Okay.
and make a left.
Thank you.
Yep, and then make another left, right there at the intersection. There you go, yeah, you just heard it. Sorry about walling, y'all. You always say the sheriff doesn't respond to them or isn't responsible to them, but I've been referred here several times. National Public Works Week. If you hear the background noise, that's the Board of County Commissioners meeting. But I'm not in there, I'm doing my records request. Is that a pause button?
Your patience.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So I found out that Mr. Kendrell Hutchinson is currently the Board of County Commissioners employee. He's no longer employed as like an employee with the Sheriff's Office. He was there back in 2015. I don't know when he came over to us, but he was no longer an employee of the Sheriff's Office in 2015.
No, he's there now.
Well, through court services, he works in the jail as as a Board of County Commissioner employee through Court Services Department. So he's there now.
So he's not an internal affairs professional standards employee at the Sheriff's Department.
I didn't ask that question, sorry.
That's
Oh,
what I want to know.
Internals and fair. Okay,
I
sorry.
want to marry him to the Alachua County Sheriff's Department.
Well, he was formally in 2015. So he
Okay,
might-
well, I have him on video since then.
Oh.
I do videos on
Okay.
YouTube. Okay, I have him on, if it's the same Hutchinson, Kendall Hutchinson, that's his name. I know his name, you know what
Okay.
I'm saying? And he is on the payroll at the Sheriff's Department. He has presented himself, when I've showed up there, he has presented himself as an internal, I have him on video.
Okay. Oh
As
no,
an
I
internal
don't
affairs,
believe you. Okay.
Office of Professional Standards. Okay, he's done that once, and he did that about 2 weeks ago whenever I was trying to see if a Alachua County jail detainee was getting proper medical treatment.
Okay.
I have a bunch of complaints in,
Okay.
records requests in, that's probably been
Oh.
filtered through the attorney, I don't know,
Oh,
because my records request hasn't been answered yet for that.
Okay.
But that's where I met him again 2 weeks ago down at the jailhouse.
Okay.
Plus I've gotten calls from people
Okay.
stating that he works at Alachua County
Sheriff's Office.
Court Service. No, I know
Oh,
for a
okay.
fact he works at the Sheriff's Office. Like I said, I have him on video from 2 weeks ago,
Okay.
thereabouts, you know. And I have him last year on a video,
Okay.
not 2015, 2023. Okay? I'm just saying, it's the same person. Now, I want to know if that person right there that you're talking about works for the Sheriff's Department. And I'll
Well,
stand by while you answer that for me.
Okay. Well, I was just gonna say from what I had called because I
Yeah,
called.
you did fine.
Well, no, sorry.
So I'm gonna want to see if he works, if that same name works at the Sheriff's Department.
I called over there and they said that they don't have him as an employee on their payroll. So that's why I was trying to tell you. I called out to their HR, meaning the sheriff's HR, because the Board of County Commissioners HR is a separate entity
Okay,
from the sheriff's office.
can I say something? If he
Yeah.
worked for you, would he be carrying a firearm down at the jailhouse?
I don't work.
He
yeah,
come,
but-
okay, but I'm
Yeah.
just explaining to you the
Okay.
facts, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I have, a situation, okay?
Okay, I'm
I've
sorry.
already established a preponderance of evidence that this man presented, I already have it, you know
Okay.
what I'm saying? It's
Yes, sir.
posted on my YouTube channel, can't make that go away.
Okay.
He presented himself as an internal affairs. I talked with him on the phone. He directed me from the sheriff's office on Hawthorne Road
Okay.
to come clean across town to the jail to meet with him, okay? If that's the same Hutchinson, that's what I need you to do,
Okay.
is there's a Lieutenant Hutchinson. He is employed at the ASO in the Internal Affairs Office of Professional Standards.
Okay.
And I need to know if that's him.
Okay, I will.
I'll
I
wait-
can call back out to the
I'll
sheriff's
wait
office
patiently.
then, because I'll
You can write that down, Internal
Yes, I
Affairs
did.
Office
Internal-
of Professional
Internal
Standards.
Affairs Office of Professional Standards.
And he's also duly employed here,
Yeah, at the.
and you've already admitted that.
Yes.
You've already let that
yes,
in,
yes.
okay.
Yeah, no,
I'm not, hey, look here.
Okay. Sorry.
You're just here, you know what I'm
I
saying?
know.
And you perform a vital function in this,
I
you
know.
know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But I'm not
And I
running you
know-
under the
yeah.
gun, and I don't want
Okay.
you to fret over me.
All right.
And if you detect any negative vibes from me, they're not directed at you.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Yes,
but yeah,
ma'am.
Yeah, so
Did-
what I have.
So I just
Our
want to know
HR
if that is the same employee that's employed by Alachua County Sheriff's Office, and that he's in professional
Internal Affairs Office of Professional
standards.
Standards.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna pause this because you got traffic.
All
Okay.
right, I appreciate it. Hi, Miss.
Okay, here we go.
Well, I think I have an official answer for you. So, I have the direct number for HR.
Okay,
Have you called that number?
okay. I'm just gonna ask you. I'm getting ready to leave from here now, and I'm gonna finalize things, right?
Okay.
From this perspective, right?
Okay.
Because I'm not on you.
Yeah, I know. I
All
understand.
you are is a producer of answers that you're giving.
Yeah.
Okay, you did your due diligence,
Yes,
right?
sir.
You understand where I'm going with this. I'm trying to compare and contrast that name, Hutchinson, with an ASO deputy that told me that he's an ASO deputy. I have actual contact with him on my YouTube channel
Okay.
that's posted for posterity, never going away.
Yes, sir.
Okay, he's the same guy that you have employed. No. I'm just saying this is my
Okay, your
assumptions
assumptions. Okay.
that he is the same guy that's employed by the ASO, that's employed by the Alachua County Court Services.
Okay.
Okay, I think they're one and the same. Now that's what I was asking my record, right? And that's what you were trying to compare and contrast on my pursuit of my record. And that this is the answer that you have.
And the answer that I have is that I can only confirm that he is a Board of County Commissioners employee. And right now, from when I contacted over there,
At the Sheriff's
At the
Department,
Sheriff's
you
Office.
contacted someone in Human Resources
yes,
at the Alachua County Sheriff's
Sheriff's
Department,
Office.
and they would not tell you if he was an employee there.
correct. They could only say that he was a former employee, but
Okay,
so I'm just saying I
that
can't.
was the only Hutchinson employed at the Sheriff's Department.
I didn't ask more than just the name that I had.
Can you
unfortunately.
do me one favor and go find out if he's the only Hutchinson employed at the Sheriff's Department?
Okay.
And I won't bother you no more after that.
Okay. Because
See, I'm doing an investigation. You
No,
understand?
I
you know?
understand, but
Okay.
I'm just saying I only have
Look
they
here,
don't have
I
to
get
work
all
with you.
kinds of answers. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And I know you'll probably just like me. You just eat what you're fed. You know what I'm saying? And that's how I do. So I'll
all
cut.
right. Well, can I just?
All right. Here we go.
I don't have answers. I just have what they said that they can confirm. Their HR department. So if you call this number right here, they've been very helpful. Or to say.
Alachua County Sheriff's Department is never helpful.
Oh goodness. Okay.
They
Well.
are a
well-
ball of deception.
Well, I asked them if they could do this for me
For Hutchinson.
for now, but they couldn't. They were like, "What?" They were just like, "Is this a
They're running
request?"
damage control.
Okay.
You don't have to say no more.
Well, all I was just saying was they were asking if it was for me or for somebody else, and then I said I was asking for a citizen. They're like, "All right, well, if you can, tell them to call this number. They can confirm a name, a start date, a position title,
oh yeah, I worked in HR before,
okay.
so I know what.
and
they
then
can do.
an end date."
See, that's
then-
not the way the records read. I'm just
Oh, no.
I'm just explaining it to you.
Okay.
Section 19 statute, Florida statute 119 does not read like that.
Okay.
You understand?
Well-
But the Alachua County Sheriff, you're stating, and you're not under oath or anything like
Okay.
that, but you're stating that the Alachua County Sheriff does not answer to y'all.
Well, not to me. Correct,
To
yes.
anybody in the county.
Well, they should answer.
Well, okay, because
I would
I come
imagine
to
they
the
answer
county
them
attorney's
themselves.
office. We don't have to
Okay,
debate the
okay.
hierarchy, okay? But this is Alachua County,
Okay.
right? This
Board-
is the county, right?
The Board of County Commissioners.
And this is the legal office.
Yes.
And I've been referred here for those answers on another yellow
Yeah.
post-it.
So that
Okay,
that
so-
employee
so-
is
so-
our
so-
employee. Yes.
Okay. You're saying that this is your employee,
Correct.
but you're saying that you cannot verify, you have no way, the Alachua, because I'm
Okay.
fixing to finalize this and go
Okay.
away, and I'll give you,
Yes, sir.
you'll get the thorn out of your stock, if you hear me? Okay, so,
Okay.
this is where we're gonna finalize this.
Okay.
This is the Board of County Commissioners, they are over everything in the county.
I know.
Oh, no, I'm just telling you how it is. This is an employee of y'all's, so you can furnish his name. That's how I acquired his name. His name on this record is Kendrell Hutchinson.
Correct.
He works for the Alachua Court Services.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and he was referred by Mr. Ron Akins. He said he worked there. That's why I come here.
Correct.
I come here to find out. Because I said, I want to know if he's, dual employed.
Okay.
Okay, that's why Mr. Akins sent me over here.
Okay.
Okay. You, in your capacity, tried to run that records request. And basically you were denied. Because this is what they gave you. Which is not an answer.
Well, what I was,
No.
I wasn't
No, I'm not
denied,
letting
but they
you
were
go,
just
no.
saying what they can give, but they were saying if it was
They
for
gave
me.
you nothing. You don't have anything.
Okay.
But I'm just saying, in retrospect, the answer that you're providing to me is
to-
nothing.
Well, I was gonna
It's
say.
a phone number to call,
It
but
was
I
a-
have no record. It
Okay.
says name, start date, position, title, end date, 352. Cause I'm gonna get the runaround. They'll run damage control on me like they did on you. You know, that's like, is it for your office or is it for a citizen? You know what I'm saying?
Gotcha.
So now I have to go put in complaints all up and down the board because you did, and I'll write it down. You did what you were supposed to do. I don't feel that you run me in circles. I don't think that you were deceptive because deception is fraud. Fraud at the government level is corruption. It doesn't matter what it is. You know what I'm saying? If I get the runaround, that's corruption afoot. Okay?
Okay.
It's not on you, but that's what I got.
Yes, sir.
So I got no answer.
Well, yeah, but they did say if you.
All they said was name, start date,
well,
call them.
Yeah, to call them. They said call them, and they can confirm anybody's who works with the last name Hutchinson there.
Yeah.
And so, and then, well, they also provided 2 numbers. They provided I provided their HR number and their PRR number. So I don't know if HR might be more helpful than their records, because I don't know. I've never really.
Oh, I know them people real well. I'm just gonna conclude this.
Okay.
Hey y'all, she did it real good.
I'm sorry.
She run the gauntlet. This is the way it goes. It's a runaround. I don't know what happened behind the closed door. I know what happened out here.
Yes,
and
sir.
you seem like you did the citizen
I tried it.
the proper job that he was supposed to get. Okay.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
thank you.
You're welcome.